The first thing that you want to worry about with this program is the actual grid, and so let me show you how you're going to kick that off. First of all, we want to begin with some inputs, and I only want to allow the user to input the X range, the X min, the X max, the Y range you will calculate with the power of math. But let me show you why I want that. First of all, have some input frame where they are allowed to do that. The button will send you to the next frame, which will build the specified grid. And the reason that you don't want them to tell you the Y min and Y max is because you want to force, I don't know what to call this, the grid square. You want to force the grid square to actually be a physical square. I don't know if that makes any sense, but this right here, your grid should be made up of squares and not rectangles. And so once they have specified the range of their X values, that tells you how many X grid lines you will have, and then you will need to, based on the pixel size of your stage, calculate how many Y tick marks will fit on there. Now, the very first thing you want to do is calculate this distance, the distance between your X tick marks. That distance will also be the distance between your Y tick marks. So once you have that distance calculated, then all you have to do is figure out how many of those distances would fit in the vertical direction based on the size of your screen, or the size of your stage. Also, some things you want to think about: go ahead and add, when you're doing add child, to add things to the stage in this phase, add everything straight to the main timeline. Just say this.add child, or just add child. That will make things a lot cleaner. If you just keep adding everything straight to the main timeline, you're going to add your grid lines to the main timeline, you're going to add your axes to the main timeline, and you're going to add your tick marks to the main timeline, and you will get this awesome grid that has grid squares that are actually grids, no matter what input they type. I should have put a play again button so you could go back. So if I said I wanted something from -2 to 8, notice I still have a nice grid square that's a physical square, and that would be a great start for phase 1, phase 0, whatever you want to call it.